the power on button of the machine. The system is imaged. After the system is turned on, first of all, the first step needs to return to 0. Click the Back to 0 button. Carry out the 0 back operation. Move the axis to the middle first. Then go back to 0. Press the Back to 0 button. Go back to the X-axis first. Press and hold X plus without moving. The X-axis returned to 0 successfully. Back to the Z-axis. Press and hold Z plus without moving. The Z-axis returned to 0 successfully. Manual function of the machine. This mode is manual mode. The machine can run manually. Manually move the Z-axis. Manually move the X-axis. If you reach the limit, the machine will alarm. This mode is the hand wheel mode. Press the manual button. The magnification of the hand wheel is switched here. Switch X-axis. Hand wheel moving X-axis. Switch the Z-axis. The switch of the work light. The switch of the water pump. The tool change button of the electric knife holder. You can change the knife once. Press it again to change the knife again. This mode is automatic mode. When running the program, you need to click the automatic mode. This is a single segment mode. When you first started programming. If you are not sure whether the procedure is correct, you can use a single paragraph to read the program one by one. This mode is MDI mode. When in the MDI mode, some short code can be executed. Take for example, perform spindle startup. Click to start. The spindle begins to rotate forward.